we were doing a play of mine called Tumhari Amrita with Shabana Azmi and Farooq Sheikh. So we were in Hyderabad, and Shabana insisted that we should go and watch the film, and we were again deeply affected by the experience. And I felt that this has a very theatrical structure.
When I got into it, I didn't realize that there is a big difference. And I was like, oh my God. And I had said yes to 550 costumes.
I told him, Manish, you have been transported to the 15th century and you are the costume designer in the court of Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. What would you do with a sensibility of Manish Malhotra of today? Costume plays a very important part because the moment an actor wears a costume, it's almost they're wearing a mask of somebody else.
We travel a lot. We use different options like while traveling to save it from, moisture. We have silica gels that we use, and then to keep the costume fresh, we have like our mixtures that we keep.
In Mohit Pangat mein, suddenly when you see that burst of pretty colors that come out with those 50 dancers, that is the moment that you feel what will never go out for us, Indian culture that we have, on the Indian clothes that we have. They keep getting revamped and modernized, but it'll never leave us.
Taking care of my costume is as good as taking care of myself.
Taking care of your fashionable clothes should be in fashion forever.